Hello, hello, guys. I'm huddled inside, staying warm, getting things done on the computer. And I wanted to jump on live super quick to answer some questions for you guys that I have been asked about the crystals and oils course, combining crystals and oils safely and powerfully for exponentially boosted healing benefits. The course is perfect for you if you either love crystals or oils or both and want to know more about the science behind crystals and oils and how they work, combining them safely and effectively, adding them into your other favorite healing modalities like affirmations, meditations, releasing techniques, etc., and then understanding all of this well enough to explain it to your friends, to your loved ones, to your clients, to your teams, all of that good stuff. So bonuses beyond those 7 modules is the Facebook group where you will have access to all of the information from the course. There's a homepage on the website, but you can also get it on Facebook. And then you'll also have everybody else who is learning along with you. You will also get lifetime access to both the homepage and the Facebook group so that you can go back to this as many times as you want. And then also you'll get a certificate of completion. This is to show yourself, but also to any of your clients, anyone that you're working with, any of your team members, that you have done your due diligence to understand these healing methods so that when you are making recommendations to them, it is from a place of knowledge and understanding, which is very, very important when we're talking about natural healing, to be giving the correct information for people. So it is a way to build trust for yourself and for your clients. So, but beyond just a bunch of information, what you're going to learn is which crystals and oils are best for various types of healing practices and how to do those healing practices. So this includes meditation, chakra healing, emotional healing and releasing, the AFT session. And so if you have that knowledge, I'm also showing you how to use it. And then you go and practice and deepen your practice there. Perhaps most importantly, you'll learn how to identify which crystals and oils to use in real time. What I mean by this is you will have a knowledge base so that when something difficult comes up in your life, you can say to yourself, okay, what's the crystal for this? What's the oil for this? And what's the method that's going to be the best to help me get the results I want with the most speed and ease? So you are able to, in real time, use all of your healing tools to the best of your ability with incredible confidence and discernment. All right, so absolutely, it will improve your ability to do your own healing work. So then that kind of leads into the next question. Will it improve my current practice? What if I already use crystals? What if I already use essential oils? What if I've already been playing with both of them? So even if that is true, then absolutely, this will deepen your practice. There's so much information. So if you've been working without a lot of the scientific knowledge, this will blow your mind. It will be incredible for your healing practice and as you work with other people, clients, loved ones, etc. So yes, it will deepen your current practice and you can continue to use it for weeks, months, years to come. The next question, will it help me with my wellness business? So if you are a healing practitioner, if you have a Reiki business, a crystal business, if you lead an essential oils team, absolutely, this is going to be tools and information that you can use for your own practice, but also for working with others. This is one thing I talked with Crystal about for her AFT session. As I did an AFT session with her, I was realizing how valuable this was going to be for me as a resource when I'm working with my life coaching clients, to be able to incorporate that into practice for them. If you are a crystal healer, then and you haven't been incorporating essential oils, or you haven't been incorporating them as much as you would like, the atmosphere that an essential oil creates for any session that you're leading is incredible. You are going to love combining those. If you have an essential oils team or you're an aromatherapist, understanding the safety issues with crystals and oils so that you can explain them to your clients, your team, and also how to use them so that you're not just like making it pretty, right, with the crystals, but actually getting the crystal benefits as well, is going to be huge for your business. And your business is helping people, so it's going to be huge for helping you help people, right? How is the course material shared is the next question. So you guys know I love video, hence why I am sharing this with you on video. It's just so much easier for me. And I can imagine just speaking to you even though we're not in the same room. And that's always so much easier for me to share that way than just in writing, which sometimes feels a little cold to me. So the material is shared in a lot of video, and there are also written resources. So that is all of the questions I was either asked or came to me as I was putting together all of the information, all of the videos, et cetera, et cetera. What I want to know is what other questions do you guys have that you need to know before you decide if this is right for you? I really want to help you know if this is going to be helpful because I don't want you to buy the course and then think, well, that was a total waste of my money. And I also don't want you out of fear to not dive in. So hopefully this has been helpful to give you a little bit more clarity. And again, leave me a comment below if you have a question about it. You can also shoot me an email anytime to erin@ivyandlight.com. All right, guys, I love you very much. I hope you have a blessed week, a happy week, a joyful week. Drink lots of soup and hot beverages and enjoy this fall weather. And I will talk to you later.